A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is the unstoppable spirit rising beyond challenges. Ladies and gentlemen, in a world that celebrates triumphs and breakthroughs, the quiet struggle of perseverance often remains unseen. Each day, individuals witness extraordinary feats, yet the true essence of progress lies not in swift victories, but in the relentless pursuit of purpose. History is adorned with those who defied limits, not by chance, but by an unshakable will to rise, refine, and redefine. As Winston Churchill profoundly stated, success is not final. Challenges are not permanent. It is the courage to continue that counts. These words serve as a guiding force, reminding that every step taken, no matter how small, carves a path towards greatness. Let's look at the science of perseverance. Neuroscience has revealed that human potential is not predetermined but shaped through effort and adaptability. Studies on neuroplasticity demonstrate that the brain continuously evolves, strengthening pathways through repeated actions. Ancient wisdom echoes this truth. Confucius once said, "It does not matter how slowly you go, as long as you do not stop." Every endeavor, every refinement, and every lesson shapes a stronger, more resilient self. Thomas Edison, after countless refinements leading to the light bulb, reflected, "I have not failed. I have just found 10,000 ways that won't work." Progress is not measured by the ease of the journey, but by the resolve to move forward. Let's also examine the illusion of comparison and the power of individual paths. The human mind is naturally wired to compare, yet modern digital landscapes amplify this tendency, distorting reality. Behind every moment of visible achievement lies years of refinement, unseen effort, and unwavering commitment. True success is an internal pursuit unfolding at its own pace. The biographies of those admired today reveal a common thread, not of seamless ascent, but of persistence, strategic growth, and an ability to embrace evolution. Lao Tzu's wisdom captures this journey perfectly. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Let's also examine the philosophical and spiritual perspective. Across civilizations, the greatest minds have echoed a profound truth. Every challenge carries meaning. The Bhagavad Gita extols Karma Yoga, the path of selfless action, where effort itself becomes the reward. It teaches flow with life as a river meets the ocean. Resist not, for your path is already unfolding. Even in the depths of uncertainty, every moment becomes a stepping stone, unveiling hidden strengths and unforeseen opportunities. When perseverance is unwavering and faith unshaken, the cosmos listens, aligning unseen forces, opening new paths and turning trials into triumphs. What's the way forward? First, shifting the perspective. See each step as part of a greater design, refining skills and building resilience. Second, strengthening inner endurance. Cultivate mental fortitude through unwavering commitment and adaptive thinking. Third, detaching from external timelines. Progress is deeply personal. Focus on inner transformation rather than external comparisons. Fourth, fostering a mindset of evolution. Growth is limitless. Every effort shapes a stronger version of self. Fifth, embracing purpose. Align daily actions with a deeper calling, creating fulfillment beyond visible milestones. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, life's true measure is not in fleeting triumphs, but in the strength to continue undeterred by obstacles. Some ascend quickly, others forge their way through winding paths, but the journey itself holds the ultimate reward. When uncertainty looms and the road appears steep, remember this is not a moment of stagnation, but a transition towards something greater. Success is dynamic, and every endeavor contributes to a grander unfolding. The summit is not a fixed destination. It is redefined by those who refuse to stand still, those who persist with an unbreakable spirit do not merely rise, they illuminate the way for generations to follow. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.